Today we are making chicken balls with chicken breast. See, we start to season it up and we go chop it up here now. Natural style and we do it in the kitchen. We not have to put it through no grinder nor nothing, just natural style. Chop it up fine. Definitely. You see it now, 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons of flour with 2 eggs and we are rub it in. You go see it look gummy. So it look gummy and nice. We don't need no more than that. Definitely a straight in the pot we are gonna roll them and put them now. You saw them roll out neat and nice. Look on it. Yeah, so you do it. Yeah man, see them there? And them that in the pot we are roll it nice and easy. And we are gonna serve this, you know, with little rice and peas. Definitely. See how them look when them done? We make with little sauce feet and all them kind of something they see there. I hit that rice and peas with vegetables. We're not done yet. We are going to eat some French fried chicken. You know, French fried chicken with rice and peas. Definitely, if you are deal with some catering. After we deal with them French fried chicken, yeah, we are going to take a little time and pack it out in our file pan. See it? Our French fried chicken that in our file pan. Definitely, yeah. Wow, if you look for my rice and peas, you see how it looks shelly and nice. Then after that now, we are going to fry little fish. See the little fish they are fried? See it there? I hit that. All them things are put together. Then we are going to put them in my file pan. And after we put them in my file pan, I give them free with a small contribution. Call if you want free food with a small contribution. Look on the variety of chicken what the Rochi Cornerstone Kitchen can do. Look at the style of food. Yeah. Now we are looking on fish. Swim around. French fry fish and chips. Vegetable rice with French fry fish. French fry fish with avocado and chips. Banga Mary and fried fish with lemon on the side, and we're talking about sliced fish. Look at my fried sprat. Fish loaf with potato. We are talking about the good old festival, not normal. And see some more fried fish there? I eat that. Yeah. That's how I do it in my kitchen.